Okay guys, what is up? And I'm gonna show you how you can spawn mobs in Minecraft. So let's get straight into it. Okay guys, what is up? It's Lightning Sushi here, and today I'm here with another command block tutorial on how you can spawn mobs in Minecraft. And first things first, you have to quickly get a command block by saying give your name and then command block. And you've got your command block. Now you want to place it. Now you have to say summon, right? And then the thing you want to summon. So I'm gonna summon. I don't know. I'm gonna summon a. Let's do a chicken. What you want to do is do these little brackets. It's like saying not brackets. I don't know what they are, but like saying around the blocks area. And what you want to do is press 2. So it spawns 2 blocks above the command block, and then that's it. You press done, and what you want to do, you get a redstone block, and then oh whoops, don't make a space, otherwise you'll get confused. You have to do something else. There we go. You've gotten your little chicken right there, and yeah. But, oh, I hear voices in the background saying, why can't you just use a spawner egg? Like, one of these eggs. I don't know. They're way easier, and I don't have to do all this command block stuff. Well, there's a lot of chicken. Anyways, you can do something cool with this. You can do something really cool with this. You can make this go repeat. And then, you can spawn as much as you want. If I put this on always active, then it will go on forever without the command block. I'm just gonna put it where it needs redstone. So yeah, are you ready for this? Yep, there we go. So that's what happens. And I don't think you can do that with a spawner egg, but like making a little house of chickens. So yeah, that's how you do it. Oh my goodness, wait, I need to break this. Oh my goodness, break! Okay, guys. Okay. And that's how you spawn mobs in Minecraft using a command block. See ya!